Didn't have this part?
No,
we left off here?
Yeah,
Okay, then let's pick it up here then. Let's write down what she has up to this point.
all we have is where you find it and what its job is.
Okay, then let's pick it up right here where we left off then, which is the next thing is the raw materials. Raw materials. Thanks, Holly. Raw materials needed to make food. All right? And this again is the chloroplast. All right, and Andrea so far has come up with water, carbon dioxide, or CO2, that's the chemical formula for it, sunlight, and there's one more thing. It's part of the chloroplast. It's something you should have read about. We may or may not have mentioned it. Maybe think of the green color that plants have.
Oh.
Will? Chlorophyll. Okay, it's a chemical. All right, chlorophyll. All right, so those are the raw materials needed to make food. Okay, needed to make food. All right, water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll. What is the food that is made? What do plants make? What kind of things come out of the chloroplast? Duncan?
Sugar.
Sugar. And what else? What else comes out of it? Sarah?
Is it protein?
Well, protein, no, not really. Remember, this is the chloroplast.
Oh.
Okay, protein's going to be made somewhere else. Well, what else do we get from plants?
Oh.
Becky?
Oxygen?
Oxygen. And there'll be some leftover water. Okay, there'll be some leftover water that'll be that comes out of this whole thing. Okay, so this is what chloroplasts do. All right, the chloroplast takes water and carbon dioxide and using sunlight. What's sunlight going to provide for this process? What's the sunlight going to provide for this process? Alicia?
Energy.
Energy. Okay, this is going to be the energy. What about the chlorophyll? What do you think the chlorophyll is going to do? Katie?
Give it color?
Well, it does give the cell color, okay? It does give the green color in plants. But what does it do in this food making process? Anybody have any ideas or any guesses? Saw a quick hand, Becky. What were you going to say?
Well, in the movie we saw, wasn't it that when it made it move around the thing?
Well, the chloroplasts were moving, okay? But that wasn't what was making them move. But that's all right. It's still a good guess. Okay. How about if I tell you this? How about if I told you that the chlorophyll doesn't get used in this reaction at all? It doesn't change or get used up in the reaction. I see a couple things of recognition. Andrea? No, you're thinking of something else, but it's a good guess. At least you're thinking. Will? It's not doesn't make enzymes. It is an enzyme. Okay, this is an enzyme. Or enzymes are proteins in any case. And so chlorophyll doesn't actually do anything, or it doesn't become the sugar or the oxygen. The chlorophyll is nothing more than the place where the carbon dioxide and the water will come together to form sugar and oxygen. Beth?
I don't understand.